Welcome to my channel. Stay tuned for details on how to enter the Valentine giveaway. In this video, we'll be making the Miniverse Make It chocolate bonbons. So here we have our instructions, the different Valentine items you can get, and let's get these opened up. This silicone mold is adorable. It's so tiny and cute. Let's make our Valentine chocolate. Let's pour in the sprinkles. And now we have our milk chocolate. It comes with a spout. I love how the stuff is made to be reused over and over again. And I'm just taking the bubbles out with the tweezers. The little heart box is so cute. Now that those are dry, let's take them out of the mold. They come out super easy. I had enough resin to make a full box of chocolate plus more. To enter the Valentine giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and comment what's your favorite Valentine Miniverse Make It. You could win one of the 4, chocolate bonbons, heart cookies, heart cake, or the rare red roses. See video descriptions for more details. Winner will be chosen January 14th, 2024. Thank you so much for watching So Cool Creations.